waiting for at least 2 to 3 people.
Yes, that's
Yes, sir. Or let's make it 5.
yeah.
10.
Yeah.
Good morning. Hope you are well. This is Mr. Kauma here, the best maths tutor. So I thought that we're about to write our exam, so we'll be doing these live videos maybe once or twice a week, looking at exam questions. So today I'm going to look at the 2019 GCE Paper 1, and I'm only going to look at 5 questions. We want to see if you guys will have the idea, then maybe we'll be more consistent. Yeah. So comment if you want the idea to go on, but right now let's get to work. So 2019 GCE Paper 1. We'll start with question 1. Always the first question is simplify. So you have simplify 4 minus 2, then in brackets b minus a negative 1. To simplify means to break down. It's not to solve. So what do we do here? Here's what we do. We're trying to simplify this. So what we do, we'll break the brackets first. So do 4 minus 2 times b, because brackets mean multiplication. So 2 times b is 2b. Negative 2 times negative a is plus 2a. So get this. The examination body knows how to make people fail. You know how they do that? Through negatives. So you might be rewriting and you just forget negative times negative, you put negative, you are wrong. So always make sure to be careful with your signs. So I have negative 1 here. Once I reach this level, I break my brackets. What do? I group my like terms. So 4 minus 1, negative 2b plus 2a. So 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 2b plus 2a. I'm done. Nothing more, nothing less. You end here. These are unlike terms. You cannot add or subtract unlike terms. You see how simple this is. The trick here is the negative signs. Once you get that wrong, it will be a sad story. Let's move on to question 2. Evaluate, in brackets, 4th root of 81 and then to the power 3. So paper 1 is about showing your working. You don't show your working, you lose marks. So what does this mean? 4th root of 81. It means what number, if you multiply it by itself 4 times, it will love you. We go on to question 3. Factorize completely 32x squared minus 50. To factorize means to find what's common. What is common here? If you can see, there's nothing that's common, but check this. 2 is common. 2 is common. 2 is common. So check. What's common is 2. You write it outside. So then you say these 2 go into both 32 and 50. So 2 into 32, 16, x squared. 2 into 50 is 25. Get, factorize what? Completely. You leave your answer here. You are going to have 1 mark. This is 2. So, but check this. What's in the brackets? They have roots. They have square roots. What's the square root of 16 is 4. What's the square root of 25 is 5. So you fail a factorize. This is where I want my 2 marks. I don't want 1 marks. Yeah, 1 mark at 1 marks. 1 mark. So here will give me 4x minus, what's the root of 25? It's 5. Root means, square root means what number if you multiply it by itself will give you, so for this is 16. So 4 times 4, that's the thing. Then you see 4x minus 5. Write the same thing but put positive. 4x plus 5. Include the positive like that. Here you get your 2 marks. And here your 1 mark. Do you want 1 mark? or you want your 2 marks, I'm going for my 2. So you see how it is. This is exam. Check your paper. Let's move on to question 4. Question 4 here. I want you to see how the examination body thinks. You have to know your enemy for you to win. So find the gradient of a line which passes through -5,3 and -4,1. Let me write my points here. So solution. So I have -5,3. I have -4,1. You know the formula for gradient is this. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. I have my x1 here, my y1 there. I have my x2 here, my y2 there. So m is equals to, you get, so what is y2 is 1, I put my 1 here, minus, what is my y1 is 3, simple, like that. What is my x2? -4, minus, what is my x1? -5. Now, as I've told you, here's the thing. These guys will make you fail is your negative. There are some students, you just write, there's this negative is for the formula. But you see, there's -5 here. They are going to write one sign here. They are just going to choose maybe this negative. But you have to be very careful with your signs if you are going to pass. Let's continue breaking down here. 1 minus 3, -2. Some students have ended up failing by putting 2. My friends, if you are writing your exams, just get good with signs. If it's mathematics, you're good with your algebra skills, you're good. Here, what do brackets mean? Multiplication. So I have -4, negative times negative, +5. This is how you break down. This is what the examination body wants. So -4 plus 5 is 1. Get the sign from the bigger number. Different signs you subtract. So therefore, m standing for gradient, 1 into -2. It's -2. This is how you get your 2 marks. You see how that is easy. This is how you get your 2 marks. If you are rewriting your exams this year, you have no reason to fail. You are going to pass your exams. This year is different for you. Let's look at our final example for the day. And if you love these videos, you want more, please comment so that we can make a plan where we'll get deep into revisions. You are about to write your exams. The Venn diagram below shows 3 sets, A, B, and C. So this is our Venn diagram. Simple. Use set notation to describe the shaded region. I'll teach you a trick. This is a trick because this is about having tricks on your sleeves. So the sets not shaded are the complement. Complement means not part. So what sets do you see that are not shaded here? It's A and B. So I'm going to have, so solution will be, what set is not shaded? A, and they are together. So if they are together, it's union. Union B, bracket, complement. Why have I included the complement? Because the set not shaded is the complement, and you also do not shade the complement. But C, they have shaded C. They have shaded C, so to be intersection C. It's about tricks here. The set not shaded, what is it? Complement. Yeah? Then intersection C, this C that they have shaded. That's your intersection. Why is it union? Because they are together. They are two. Yeah? So, yeah. So, if you want more of these revisions, I think they will help many of us. But we're just trying out this new idea. If you want more of these videos, you're feeling engaged, please comment below. We'll make a plan because you're about to write your exams. Maybe it's 2 to 3 months. We don't know yet, but very soon you're about to write your exams. Yeah. So this is Mr. Leon Kauma telling you to solve hard. If you are interested in joining our online group where we have over 100 students, you can comment. Your friends are learning this the 2nd week. But if you have enjoyed the video, I know you're going to pass. Yeah. God bless you. Stay safe.